Problem for the practice test number 8 has parts A, B, C, and D. I'll do A and B on this one, and another video for C and D. These are equations. They're called log equations. And the other ones would be exponential equations that have exponents up there. So we got to solve for x, but I have no idea what the answer is. So a good idea, if it's log and you can't figure it out, change it to an exponent. What is our base? There's no base written there, so we assume it's base 10. You don't have to write the 10, you just have to remember there's supposed to be a 10 there. Let's change to an exponent. It's our base 10, so you write a 10. Raise to the, go over the equal sign, 3. Equals, come back, the only thing left is 2x. That's a 3 in here. So what's 10 to the third? You could do it on your calculator and you'll get 1,000. Divide by 2 and the answer is 500. And if you want to check your answers, you can. Just go log 10 of 2 times 100 and see if you get 3. I'm sorry, 2 times 500 and see if you get 3. All right, I ran out of room for my last parenthesis, but there's a parenthesis out there. This one looks pretty long. There's no base, so again, so we assume it's a 10 and a 10 and a 10. Don't bother to write them unless you want, but write them very small if you do. If we had just 2 logs with an equals in the middle, you can drop the word log and just let whatever's left equal. But we can't do it when there's 3 logs. But we can put these 2 logs together. That was the first law we learned, the log laws. So I'm going to combine these two. It says plus. When it says plus, you multiply them. So it's going to be 2 times that parenthesis equals log 5x. Oh, now we have 2 logs with nothing in front. It's just log of something, log of something. We can drop the logs. So now it's just 2x plus 1. Distribute the 2. Subtract 2x. And divide by 3. 2/3 is your answer. So remember, if there's 3 logs, you can't drop the log. And if there's 2 logs, they have to be in equals in the middle. Like, you couldn't drop these 2 logs. There's no equal in the middle. Here, I just dropped the logs and left it 2 times that and the 5x. All right, next one will be parts C and D.